How to grease your clutch cable. First, you're gonna get some wood. Depends on your exhaust. You know, if your exhaust too low, like mine, look, ain't low, it fits where it's supposed to be. But look, it needs to be in a different direction. So, get you some wood. And then you lay your bike down. Lay it down, gently lay it down. Then, you get this right here. Some of this silicone spray. This silicone spray. And you see that clutch cable is rich on the. Once you pull your clutch cable back a little bit, scotchy there, scotchy, and you spray in there. And you try to spray it until it goes right all the way down in that cable, until it gets down there to the end of your clutch on the other side of that bike. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna do that real quick. All right. I did what I said. I just sprayed it off down in that hole. It go all the way down that cable. Gonna come out the other side over there. So right now we gonna raise this bike back up like that. It may take a little bit of time for it to work its way down in the cable. Shit, I tripped over my wood. But, you know, just give a little back spray. Spray up in the back of this hole. Just a little bit. Just a little bit ain't gonna hurt. Now, you let that marinate. Take care of your damn bike. Later.